Alta, Ogun State, Professor Jeremiah Ojediran. The Vice Chancellor expressed elation at the arrival of Prime Minister Gonzalez and said that the visit was highly anticipated in Nigeria. Tomorrow, Friday, November 3rd, at 10 a.m. local time or 5 a.m. Eastern Caribbean time, Dr. Gonzalez will deliver the convocation lecture as part of Bell's University of Technology's 15th convocation ceremony. In addition to delivering the lecture, the Prime Minister said there are discussions to be held pertaining to the potential collaboration between the Bell's University of Technology, the University of the West Indies, and the St. Vincent and the Grenadines Community College. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is the most diverse tourism destination in the Caribbean. This is according to the Minister of Tourism Carlos James during his 2023 Caribbean Tourism Month message. He acknowledged the work done by tourism stakeholders to recover from various challenges faced in order to ensure that the quality of SVG's tourism product is maintained. We hear more from Minister James.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines joins with our Caribbean tourism partners as we celebrate Caribbean Tourism Month. We have had our share of challenges, from a global health pandemic to the explosive eruption of our Lasso volcano. We've worked with stakeholders over the last few months to have a full recovery of our tourism product. This is the Caribbean's most diverse tourism destination. We welcome you to enjoy St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and most importantly, we welcome all stakeholders to work together as we build and transform our tourism product as one of the leading Caribbean destinations.
That was the Minister of Tourism, Civil Aviation, Sustainable Development and Culture, Carlos James. St. Vincent and the Grenadines welcomed its first cruise call of the 2023-2024 season on Thursday, November 2nd, with the over 3,600 capacity ship Britannia. Still on the local scene, His Excellency Christoph Eich, Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Germany to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, made an official visit to St. Vincent and the Grenadines from October 25th to 27th. On Wednesday, October 25th, His Excellency Christoph Eich presented letters of credence to Her Excellency Dame Susan Duggan, Governor General of St. Vincent and the Grenadines at Government House. Ambassador Eich also had courtesy calls to Prime Minister Dr. Ralph Gonsalves and leader of the New Democratic Party, Dr. Godwin Friday, at Democratic House in Kingstown. During his visit, His Excellency Christoph Eich celebrated St. Vincent and the Grenadines' 44th anniversary of independence by attending the annual Independence Day Parade. The governments of St. Vincent and the Grenadines and the Federal Republic of Germany established diplomatic ties on December 12, 1980, and have enjoyed a cordial relationship over the years. On to news in the region. A fire gutted a section of the luxurious Four Seasons Resort Nevis on Tuesday night. In a statement, the resort said the blaze damaged the Pro Shop and Fitness Center. The resort said it was relieved to share that everyone is safe and unharmed. Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis, Dr. Terence Drew, is expected to travel to Nevis to get a first-hand view of the damage that the Four Seasons Resort suffered during the fire and to stand in solidarity with islanders. Drew said he has spoken with Nevis Premier Mark Brantley and Billy Cuto, the General Manager of Four Seasons, to express his sympathies. The Prime Minister said during this time of heartbreak for Nevis, it was important for the country to be united. Belize's government has removed fees charged at its public hospitals. The government said this move eliminates financial barriers and enhances healthcare accessibility for all citizens, particularly low-income families. According to Loop News, the current system, which required patients to pay fees for services, posed a significant barrier to healthcare access. Additionally, administrative costs associated with fee collection strained the healthcare system. The Belizean government said with the removal of the fees, it aims to improve healthcare access, reduce administrative burdens, and promote health equity. A statement said statistics reveal that revenue arrears for hospital care bills reached approximately 50% over the past 3 years, underscoring the need for change. Removing fees simplifies the billing process and allows healthcare facilities to focus on delivering quality care. Finally, on the international scene, Israel says that over 240 hostages have been taken by political and military organization Hamas. In the daily IDF briefing, spokesman Daniel Hagari says the military has contacted the families of 242 hostages being held in Gaza. Hamas say they have hidden the hostages across Gaza, including in tunnels. Last week, they said at least 50 hostages had been killed by Israeli airstrikes, a figure that can't be verified. On Thursday, Hamas said 7 hostages were killed in an airstrike on the Jabalia refugee camp. The German government has banned the activities of Hamas, already designated as a terrorist organization in the country. It means it will be a criminal offense to have meetings in the name of Hamas or spread their propaganda. This has been WEFM's 3 p.m. news. I have been your presenter, Rajiv Providence. Join us again at 5:30 for WEFM's evening news, and we thank you for listening.